Hey everyone, 0635 here. I want to show you guys that this is a boa I'm going to be fixing for a friend, but will also be for sale. He strictly told me he would like to sell the boa, so I figured I would make a video with its current problems, and it will be for sale after it's done. So if anyone's interested, just comment on this video, leave me your email address, and we can talk from there. But here's what he currently does. And this fella is literally brand spanking new. He was only removed from the box because when the previous owner had him, what's it called? He had a flood in his house, and so the box of the robot was ruined. But other than that, this thing is in pristine shape. Remote's still white, clean. Robot's still white as well and clean. Let me see if I can show you. Let's see. There we go. Yeah, as you can see, he definitely needs some repair, so stay tuned for the update.